Here I've got RUGGEAR RG850, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick display and then go to night light. And now you can activate it right now by tapping on this switcher, and as you can see it has been turned off, so smoothly by tapping on this scale you can change the intensity of the color, so you can pick some warmer or cooler colors, it's up to you. Then you can switch off night mode by tapping on the same icon one more time. Then if you would like to schedule your night mode, just click on schedule, and you can either pick from sunset to sunrise or turns on at custom time, and here you can personalize the hours, so let me pick start time, and it can be 10 p.m. and then the end time can be 4 a.m. next day. So now, from now on, every day between 10 and 4 a.m. your night light will be active, so you will be able to use your device in this eye protection mode. And that will be all, but you can also can have a quick access to this mode through the upper bar. Simply slide the upper bar, locate night light icon, click on it, and that's it. As you can see, this mode has been activated, and then you can switch it off the same way smoothly by tapping on the icon. So that will be all. This is how you can activate and deactivate night light in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.